Welcome back, Flycorvair. Today we're going to take a quick look at interchanging a traditional starter for a 2400L lightweight starter. Let's have a quick look at how quickly this can be done, and I'll show you how they're interchangeable. We have a separate video that shows setting up a 2400L starter, but let's look at the direct comparison between the two. This right here is a 2400 series starter. It is not a lightweight one. It is our original 2400 starter. A lot of these out in service, they work great. They've been a workhorse for many, many years. We've used them for more than 15 years. A few years ago, we brought out the 2400L starter right here. 2400L is significantly lighter, uses less power, and is the modern starter that we have. Along the way, a lot of people operating this starter have asked, how much time does it take to upgrade? The answer is very, very little, because it utilizes the same ring gear. It just has its own set of brackets and its own starter motor. Let's take a quick look at this, and we'll show you how fast this can be done. There you have it, the 2400L starter installed on the motor in a couple of minutes. The clearance to the ring gear takes a few more minutes to set, but the starter itself is 3 pounds lighter. It utilizes less power and it takes less voltage to crank the motor over, and it actually cranks the motor faster than the original starter. So this is the modern 2400L starter, and the installation is about that easy on an older motor. Again, nothing wrong with the 2400 series, the original ones we used. This was just an improvement that came along about 5 years ago. Thanks for stopping by. If you like content like this, make sure you take a moment to subscribe to the channel. We could really use your subscription. Thanks very much, and we'll see you out on the flight line.